Top 5 Google Ads tips and techniques to attract new patients to your dental clinic. As a digital marketing expert, here are 5 impactful Google Ads strategies to supercharge your dental clinic's patient acquisition. Targeted audience. Go beyond demographics. Leverage Google's powerful targeting options. Focus on location, interests related to dental care. Example, teeth whitening, braces, and online behavior. Example, searching for dentists or specific dental procedures. This laser focus ensures your ads reach people actively seeking dental services. Compelling ad copy and calls to action. Craft clear, concise ad copy that highlights your dental clinic's unique selling points. Showcase the services you offer, mention new patient specials, and use strong calls to action like schedule an appointment today or get a free consultation. Keyword magic. Identify high-volume keywords relevant to dentistry, example, dental cleaning, emergency dentist near me, affordable dental implants, and strategically integrate them with location-specific terms, example, Hyderabad dentist. Utilize negative keywords to exclude irrelevant searches, ensuring your budget reaches the right people. Landing page. Optimization for conversions. Your landing page is crucial. Ensure it's mobile-friendly and user-friendly. Clearly showcase your services, qualifications, and highlight patient testimonials. Most importantly, make it easy for potential patients to book appointments online or by phone. Data-driven optimization is key. Regularly monitor your campaign performance using key metrics. Bonus tip: leverage Google Ads extensions. Consider call extensions to allow potential patients to call directly from the ad, location extensions to showcase your clinic's address and operating hours, and site link extensions to highlight additional relevant services like teeth whitening or cosmetic dentistry. Partner with us today.